Hi there, and welcome back to Food Facts for You. Today, we have an exciting and stimulating topic for you: the power of caffeine. Caffeine is something many of us rely on for that much needed energy boost, and it's found in a variety of products beyond just coffee. In this episode, we'll explore the world of caffeinated products, discuss the effects of caffeine on our bodies, and dive into how it gives us the energy we crave. So, grab your favorite caffeinated beverage and let's get started. To kick things off, let's delve into the fascinating world of caffeine. Caffeine is a natural stimulant, and it's not just found in your morning coffee. It originates from various plant sources, including coffee beans, tea leaves, and cacao beans. These natural sources have been enjoyed for centuries by different cultures around the world. Now, what is truly remarkable is that caffeine, at its core, is a molecule, a complex one, but still a molecule. Its chemical structure consists of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen atoms arranged in a specific way that gives it its stimulating properties. But here is where it gets even more interesting. Caffeine isn't confined to its natural sources. In our modern world, it is synthesized in laboratories and added to a wide array of products. From energy drinks to pain relievers, caffeine has permeated our daily lives, making it one of the most widely consumed substances globally. By providing additional details about the chemical structure of caffeine and its widespread use in modern products, this section becomes more specific and informative. Now, let's explore some of the diverse caffeinated products out there. We've got coffee, of course, but did you know caffeine is also present in tea, energy drinks, soft drinks, chocolate, and even some medications? It's everywhere. Ever wondered how caffeine works its magic? When we consume it, caffeine travels to our brain and blocks a neurotransmitter called adenosine, which makes us feel sleepy. This, in turn, increases the release of other neurotransmitters like dopamine and norepinephrine, leading to improved alertness and concentration. Certainly, let's provide more specific information about the benefits of caffeine. Caffeine offers a multitude of benefits, some of which might surprise you. Let's take a closer look at how it can positively impact our lives. Enhanced cognitive functions. Caffeine is renowned for its ability to sharpen our mental faculties. When we consume caffeine, it stimulates the release of neurotransmitters like dopamine and norepinephrine. This can lead to improved focus, concentration, and enhanced cognitive performance, which is especially beneficial when tackling tasks that require mental alertness, such as studying or working on complex projects. Improved physical performance. Beyond mental acuity, caffeine can give your physical performance a boost. Athletes often turn to caffeine before workouts or competitions, as it can increase adrenaline levels, leading to improved endurance and strength. It's no wonder why caffeine is a popular choice in the fitness and sports world. Mood enhancement. Many of us can attest to the mood-lifting effects of a cup of coffee or tea. Caffeine can enhance mood and even reduce the risk of depression. It does this by influencing the release of certain neurotransmitters, promoting a sense of well-being and positivity. Potential health benefits. Some exciting research suggests that moderate caffeine consumption may have protective effects against neurodegenerative diseases like Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. While more studies are needed to establish a concrete link, it's encouraging to consider that our daily caffeine habit may have long-term benefits for brain health. So, next time you enjoy your favorite caffeinated beverage, remember that it's not just about that instant energy boost. You're also giving your cognitive abilities, physical performance, and mood a welcome lift. By elaborating on the specific benefits of caffeine, this section provides a more in-depth understanding of the advantages of caffeine consumption. Now, let's talk about what we all love: the energy boost. Caffeine can help us power through those early mornings and late nights. Whether you are a student, a professional, or just a caffeine enthusiast, you know the feeling of that sudden surge of vitality after a cup of your favorite caffeinated drink. While caffeine can be a great ally in our daily lives, it's essential to consume it in moderation. Excessive caffeine intake can lead to jitteriness, anxiety, and sleep disturbances. Plus, it's important to consider individual tolerance levels and potential health conditions. As we conclude our caffeinated journey, remember that caffeine can be a powerful tool to help us stay alert and focused. Whether it's coffee, tea, energy drinks, or the occasional chocolate treat, knowing how caffeine affects your body can help you use it wisely. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the power of caffeine. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another mouth-watering episode on Food Facts for you. Until next time, stay caffeinated and stay energized. Bye.